Hey guys, this is part 2 of Best Squishy Package Ever. I know. Okay, sorry about that. So, we were organizing who was whose, so this one was ours. So, let's organize. So, this one's yours.
Hello, what are you girls doing? Making a YouTube video thing. Your hair looks cute.
Okay, sorry. So,
It smells like blueberries.
how much do you have?
What? One second.
How much squishies do you have?
Over here, I think I got most of them, right? Right? Wait, I missed in some, I think.
I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus the extra. Okay. We figured out whose this is. Okay, guys. So we figured out whose whose. So this cactus was mine.
Yeah, the cactus was hers because I ordered the lamb.
This cheetah is mine. This sushi is mine. I got the baby one. The jumbo one. Then I got the ice cream.
Wait, what about my unicorn cake? Oh yeah,
And the unicorn cake.
Wait, that's 7?
Yeah.
Okay, so I ordered this unicorn. I ordered this sundae. I ordered this lamb. And this one. And this. And this. And this.
Wait, there's something else in here.
What?
It's another extra.
Okay, so that means that the penguin's my extra?
Yeah. Guys, I found another extra. So it's this.
And that's hers.
Oops.
So that's hers.
You can't hold the squishy like this and squish it and go like that. It's hard. Okay, so let me get them a close up. So there's my extra.
And
So
this is my extra, obviously. It's really slow and stuff, so.
mine is too. I love this one because it's so slow. But my favorite out of all of them is probably this one.
I can't decide because I ordered every single one correct. So, yeah.
So, whoever sent this, thank you, Squishy101 _star. Thank you for the squishy package. So,
Skit!
Bye. Yes, this was a skit, everybody. So, if you are a real subscriber, you will stay to the end. Well, this is the end. So, bye.